In this video, we'll be diving into affiliate marketing. So, if you're ready to learn how you can start making money online through affiliate marketing, then let's get started. Before we jump into the details, let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead that you generate. It's a win-win situation for both the affiliate marketer and the product owner. Now, let's talk about why affiliate marketing is such a popular choice, especially in 2023. There are several benefits that make it an attractive option for beginners. 1. Low startup cost. Unlike traditional businesses, you don't need a huge capital investment to get started with affiliate marketing. You can begin with minimal expenses. 2. No product creation required. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to worry about creating your own products. You can choose from thousands of existing products and start promoting them right away. 3. Flexible working hours. Affiliate marketing offers you the freedom to work at your own pace and set your own schedule. You have the flexibility to work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. 4. Passive income potential. Once you set up your affiliate marketing campaigns, they can generate passive income for you. You can earn money even while you're sleeping or on vacation. Now that you understand the benefits, let's explore the steps you can take to start your affiliate marketing journey in 2023. 1. Find a profitable niche. The first step is to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and has a demand in the market. Research different niches and identify products or services that you can promote. 2. Select affiliate programs. Once you've chosen your niche, look for reputable affiliate programs that offer products or services relevant to your audience. Consider factors such as commission rates, product quality, and affiliate support. 3. Build your platform. Create a platform to connect with your audience. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence. Focus on providing valuable content and building trust with your audience. 4. Create engaging content. Produce high-quality content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem for your target audience. This can include blog posts, videos, product reviews, or tutorials. 5. Drive targeted traffic. Implement strategies to drive targeted traffic to your affiliate offers. This can involve search engine optimization, social media marketing, paid advertising, or email marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.